Warped wooden fence boards can totally mess with your curb appeal and leave your yard looking kinda rough, but fixing them is way easier than you might think if you know what to do. So first, walk along your fence and really check out each board. If any look all twisted or bent out of shape, mark them so you don't forget which ones need help. Grab a crowbar and carefully pop out the nails or screws holding the warped board in place, being gentle so you don't mess up your fence rails. When you're picking new boards, go for pressure-treated wood because it's less likely to warp in the future and can handle weather like a champ. Before you install, let those new boards hang out in your yard for a couple days so they get used to your local climate, which helps keep them straight. When you're ready to put them up, make sure the boards are spaced out just right, too close together, and moisture gets trapped, which is like an open invite for warping. Use galvanized screws instead of nails since they hold tighter and don't rust out as fast, giving you longer-lasting results. If any of your fence posts are wobbly or leaning, fix those first because solid support is key to keeping boards from twisting again. And finally, slap on a good weatherproof sealant every year to help lock out moisture and keep your fence looking sharp. One of the biggest mistakes with warped wooden fence boards is not using pressure-treated wood in the first place. Regular wood just can't handle rain and sun without bending all out of shape, so always choose pressure-treated replacements. Another common problem is skipping the climate adjustment step before installing new boards. If you set up fresh boards without letting them acclimate to your yard's weather, they're way more likely to twist or crack later on. A third issue is using cheap nails instead of galvanized screws, which end up rusting and letting boards pull loose. Swapping to strong screws keeps everything solid and avoids future repairs. BigHomeProjects.com hooks up homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually show up and get the job done right, so you don't have to stress about sketchy hires or unfinished repairs. For contractors, it's a super easy way to connect with real customers nearby and land more projects without wasting time on dead-end leads.